to shop with a tight budget? That's a tricky one, but I have 3 tips for you. My very first number 1 tip is limit your exposure. Make fewer trips to the shops. The less you see, the less you want. Okay? If you don't go to the shops that often, you will have less temptations to buy things that you don't need. And you'll save fuel.
Shopping online has a couple of frustrations, I know. But consider these advantages. Fuel savings. You definitely save fuel by not driving to the shops regularly. Time saving. You can do this during those wasted minutes waiting at school in the car, for example. The items in your basket are limited, so you are forced to really prioritize your needs. If you make a list before you shop and search for those items only to add to your basket, you are not exposed to unnecessary temptations. Because you are creating a basket as you go along, you can track the expense, and if it goes over your budget, you can go back and evaluate your items. In this way, you are saving yourself the embarrassment of using the calculator in the aisle or having to put something back at the till.
My second tip is to plan ahead and shop ahead. Plan a meal plan for every day for at least 3 days in advance, and make a list of everything you will need to make those meals. Don't forget about the lunch boxes, don't forget about the snack cupboard. Work all of that in, write it down, and only buy the things on your list.
Buying bulk is always a great saving, but if you have a really tight budget, you might want to prioritize the cash flow over the sale and only buy what you need. If you tend to order in over weekends, if the budget allows it, then don't buy excessive food for the cupboard. Work this into your meal plan for the weekend. Don't forget to work in snacks and drinks. You don't need an abundance. It will help with the diet too if the snack cupboard is limited.
Define wants versus needs. Do you really need to have 2 meats on your pizza and 3 cheeses? I have this rule where I say, will it fill the tummy? So if it's a tight budget, I'm talking really tight and you don't know how you're going to come out in a month, ask yourself that question. Is this just nice? Does this taste good? Does it just add flavor? Or will it fill my tummy? And if it doesn't fill the tummy, it is not a need. It's a want. Maybe you should swap that beef steak for beef mitts. Things like that.
Does that cheaper coffee really taste that bad? Consider preserved or frozen over fresh for a budget cut. Eating green and free range is great for your health and the environment, but it can really damage a budget. Have you even tried another cheaper brand? Or are you just habitually buying the same brand, not considering the cost difference?
If you have allocated a certain amount in your budget to your groceries for a month, divide it by the weeks in the month, and then you know how much you can spend every week or every time you go to the shop. Then you divide it by the trips, and then try and stick to it and don't exceed that. Rather, exchange something or reduce something or use the tips I've given you than going over that budget. Remember, in the end, you want to actually have money left over in your budget to save. And if in doubt, remember the golden rule. Will it fill the tummy?